The history of a church in Alionys dates back to the 18th century, when a private chapel of the landowner family Jasiensky was erected in the local cemetery and prayer services were allowed there. The parish was established there only during the interwar period, and in 1932, thanks to the pastor Jonas Vienažindis, the old wooden chapel was replaced by the existing church, designed by architect Jonas Borovskis. Historically, Alionys parish is unique in Lithuania, as it was established due to the aggression of Poland against Lithuania in 1920. The wooden church is of a rectangular layout with a 5-wall apse, which is lower than the nave. Low sacristies cling to it on both sides. The main facade includes a low massive tower consisting of 4 sections with a quadrangular base. Each tower section ends with a small roof, and another small roof horizontally divides other planes of the church facades into 2 parts. The tower ends with a small roof of 2 sections. The roof ridge above the presbytery is decorated with an ornate octagonal turret of 2 sections with 4 arched windows. Both towers are crowned with ornamental crosses dating back to the end of the 19th century or the beginning of the 20th century. The windows of the side facades are large and rectangular. The ones in the presbytery and sacristies are smaller, square, and semicircular, arched in shape. The upper tower section has arched sound halls covered with horizontal planks, and the third one includes diamond-shaped skylights. The church is folk in style and has distinctive features typical to folk architecture, which are emphasized in its facades. A traditional building technique is uniquely employed in the building. Its walls, except the pediments and the upper tower sections, are made of hewn wall logs that are not covered with boards. The tower pediments and upper sections are covered with vertical boards. The usual structural elements, such as corner joints of wooden logs, are used to make the temple decorative. The protruding corner joints of the main building facade get longer closer to the ground, thus resembling the buttresses typical to professional Gothic architecture of stone churches. Well-defined corner joints of wooden logs with longer protrusions are decorative and vertically divide of the apse plane.